are some quick crafts just in time for the holidays. Let's make holiday books with printables from our blog. Each book is an actual mini-story, written by yours truly, and Little Froggy helped with some of the artwork. When you go to our blog, myfroggystuff.blogspot.com, there is often an article that will have a direct link to the printables. Or you can click on the tab that says How to Print Printables. Then scroll down to the appropriate album, like books and school stuff, then select and download the desired printable. After printing it out, you will see the pages, book cover, template, and a few cards and envelopes. Carefully cut out the pages so you have 2 strips. Fold accordion style. When I get to the end, take the next piece, glue it onto the back, and continue folding. Turn it over to the back. Use glue between the pages to stick them together and make double-sided pages. Continue to complete all the pages. Cut out the book cover. I like to cut the corners at an angle. Cut out the templates. Glue them onto cardstock, index cards, or poster board. Cut them out. Turn the book cover over. Fold on the lines. Glue the templates between the creases, leaving a small space between the sides and the spine. Fold over and glue down the tabs. Apply glue on the inside, making sure to get the spine. Carefully place the pages into the cover and press and hold to make a doll-sized hardback book where we can turn the pages and read a story to our dolls. Repeat to make the other books so the dolls can start their very own holiday collection. Now let's make some holiday greeting cards. On each printable, we have a variety of cards. Just cut them out and fold in half, making a sharp crease along the edge to make a blank, doll-sized greeting card. Use a pen to write a heartfelt message on the inside. In miniature, cut out one of our printable envelopes, fold on the lines. On the rectangle tab, trim the corners a little, flip it over, push the tab up, then fold over the sides. Use glue to hold it in place, creating a small pocket so you can place the card inside. On the front, we have a tiny stamp in the corner. We have 3 different stamps on the envelopes and 4 different cards to choose from. Now our dolls need somewhere to read their stories and sign their cards. So we made printable backdrops to create an instant scene. Take a piece of poster board, measure the desired length of your wall. I'm gonna make mine 14 inches. Fold and make a crease, then trim off the excess. Fold the poster board in half to make 2 walls. Trim off the margins from the printable. Glue the printable to the poster board to make a corner room. We can use printables from other projects to decorate the room. Now our dolls can read their favorite holiday books, sitting cozy by the fire. Thank you for joining us while we made this quick craft. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at myfroggystuff and the Frog Vlog. And you're done.
Happy crafting!
Christmas is the time to leave your ego out the door. Everybody smiling while we dance around the floor. If I could, I wish for you to spend Christmas here. Christmas is the time to set your mind and spirit free. Everybody smiling while we decorate.
We want to give a shout out to Ashley Puppy Sanchez. What's up? Have you seen the house elves? They're very busy this time of year.
Oh, what's a house elf?
Let's read the story and find out, okay? But they are not making toys or spreading cheer. They are up to something else, my dear.
Like what? What are they up to?
Let's turn the page and find out.
Maybe they're taking our socks.
Maybe they're time travelers.
Settle down, girls, so we can finish this story. I gotta get back to the future.
Wait, you're a time traveler?
Well, kinda yes, kinda no. I went into the Dollyverse and traveled back in time so I could read y'all this story.
Why?
Well, because I wrote these children's books and I wanted to read them to y'all when you were kids. So I traveled back in time to when you were kids.
But what about the space-time continuum? You're going to create a paradox! Ah!
Maybe next time you should try science fiction.
A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side.